Today, I'm going to be telling you what you should be doing with all of that software development money that you are getting right now. So I get this question all the time because a lot of my coaching clients are software developers and they don't know how to spend all their money. They're trying to save their money. They're trying to invest their money. They're trying to become financially free. They're kind of like, I really don't want to quit my job. So I don't really want to become financially free, but I want to do something smart with my money. And I don't think 401k investing is quite the right thing to do. So first of all, what you want to make sure that you do is do not put all your money into your 401k and say, oh, the company's matching and all that. Look, by the time that you're 70 years old, it's not really going to matter. That money's not going to matter. It's going to be taxed at some ridiculously high rate anyway. Just don't do that. I know that every financial advisor tells you to do that. It's not good. Believe me, I'm a multimillionaire. I was a software developer. I retired at 33. I didn't put my money in my 401k. Actually, I did put my money in my 401k. You know what I did though? I took it out. I paid the penalty. I paid the taxes on it. I put it in a real estate investment. I made a lot more money than I paid out in penalties. So that's kind of a hint as to where we're going to go with this, which is there's 3 rules of investing, the 3 highest profitable things that you can do as far as investing goes. And I'm going to give them to you today. But if I give them to you, you have to go to Amazon and you're going to buy both of my books, The Complete Software Developer's Career Guide and Soft Skills of Software Developers Life Manual. Now, you're going to love these books because they're awesome. They're fun. It's not like one of those books that you're like, I hate reading. It's one of those books where you get on the toilet, you start reading one chapter and you're like, you got to read another chapter. And before you know it, you have hemorrhoids. That's the kind of book that I have. Get the audio version. Go running. That's what I do. I listen to my own books, the audio version while I'm running. It's fun. So the 3 things. The very first place that you should invest money is in yourself. That's the highest investment that you can. If you can increase your ability to make money, that's obviously the smartest investment. The return on that I've calculated is approximately infinite because when you invest money in yourself, you can make more money, which you can invest in yourself and invest in other things. And so it goes on forever. So the best thing that you can do is increase your skills. So right now, if you're low paid as a software developer, go and buy some books. Go buy courses, go buy programs, go to some seminars to improve your business skills and to learn things, to expand your skills so you can make more money, okay? Now, a lot of you guys, if you're going down the career as a software developer, I know guys that are making $500,000 a year as software developers. Why aren't you? If you're making $60K a year, what are you doing? Just take the money that you're making right now, invest it in your education. These guys are not geniuses. A lot of these guys, what they have done is they've just invested in themselves, like you should do. You should be investing in yourself. Now, if you do that, you could be making $200,000-$300,000 a year. I know that seems crazy, but you could do that. So if you're going to go down this road and you're going to stay in this career, you should be maximizing it. You should be constantly improving your skills and growing and spending your money on that. That's the first investment. The second investment, the most profitable investment, is in your business. Oh, you don't have a business? So invest in building a business or buying a business, because that is the second most profitable thing, is if you can grow and build a business. Because the thing about business income is it's also an asset. So when you build a business, if you're making $5K a month from a business, which by the way, super easy to do. I coach guys doing that all the time, $10K, $20K a month on a business, not hard. That's paying your mortgage. If you do that, you're also creating an asset that could be worth a lot of money. If you're making $20K a month from your business, might be worth $1 million if you sold that business as well. Then the third place to put your money is real estate. Now, the reason for this is because it's ridiculous returns. Like, I'm not going to go into the details here, but let me just tell you that I regularly get over 60% returns in my real estate investment every year. How do I do that? It's not that hard. It's very basic. All you need to do is buy properties with the leverage. That's the key. I'm not doing anything risky. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not doing stupid stuff. Believe me, 30-year fixed loans, that's it. Buying properties, renting them out, getting a property management company so I don't have to deal with tenants and all that stuff. That's how you do it. So if you want to jump on a call and talk about this and figure out your financial future plan and plan all these things, click the link down below. I'm giving away 15-minute calls. There's limited slots available, but 15-minute calls where we can discuss this and we can come up with a plan. If you're making good money as a software developer, it is a shame if you're not investing that and figuring out a way to maximize your returns so that someday you can travel the world and you can pay off your parents' house and you can get a statue of yourself in your own yard, because that's my goal.